Lala Sanchez here. Ako po ang owner and CEO ng Dadrola Clinic. Located po pa rin sa Bulacnin, Lipa City. You can check us on our Google Map para makita nyo kung saan, like yung ating model for today. So I'd like for you to meet our latest, our newest model for the Dadrola body, Miss Divine Villarreal.
Hello everyone, I am Divine Villarreal of BMX Philippines and I'm here at the Dadrola Clinic and I am your new, the sexy body of the Dadrola Clinic. Hello po, good morning.
So Divine, anong maipaglilingkod ko sa'yo today?
Ano po pala about my double chin? Ano na po siya I have double chin pero nakalawlaw pa rin yung ano niya.
Yan.
Yung pinakabalat po.
So yan ang gagawin
Tapos
natin.
yung jaw ko po, medyo mataba. Hindi po siya visible.
Feeling ko siya talaga yung doktor eh. Alam niya kasi yung gagawin sa face niya. So yan ang gagawin natin for today. Let's do the jowls. Maglalagay na rin tayo dito ng ng Jotox, ng jowls, and then let's do the mesolipo sa ilong. So for today, I'm here with our sexy body, Miss Divine Villarreal. So gagawin natin yung kanyang konting, perform natin ng konting chin niya, and then maglalagay tayo ng jowls. So that's a combination of mesotherapy and jowls talks. So, yung sa jowls ni Miss Divine, so inayos natin dito. Naglagay lang tayo ng, alam mo na, konting secret concoction. And then here, para mas ma-form yung kanyang chin. So, after 3 days, makikita natin yung jowls and 2 to 3 weeks po yung sa mesolipo natin sa chin. So, mga bawal natin is chika. Ang bawal natin is maalat lang. Tapos, bawal ang heat. Puro cold lang, ha? Kasi parang hindi matunaw. Bawal mo ng strenuous exercise for 24 to 48 hours. Okay?
Hi, it's me again. Okay. For me ang pain niya is 3/10. Napaka-tolerable niya and yung kamay ni Doc is napakagaan lang.